I'm gonna take a little bit from the bowl and I'm gonna give this a try because I'm so excited to try it. You guys, that is the best fudge. It was so simple, so fast, and it is so delicious. You guys are gonna love it. Welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I'm Vicki, and I am cooking on the farm on Route 66. I love bringing you in the kitchen with me to cook together. Today we are making a delicious fudge, a diet fudge. You'll learn that twist at the end of the video, so stay watching. But we're gonna throw this together. It's super quick, and this recipe comes from a really good friend, Amber Rogers. Thank you, Amber, for sharing. She shared this with me a long time ago. I have been so excited to get started making this. What you need is your favorite chocolate chips, a can of sweetened condensed milk, some butter, a little salt, and good old-fashioned vanilla. We're gonna throw it in the pot, cook it up, and we're gonna have some delicious diet fudge. So we need 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm gonna place that right here in my pot. We need 3 cups of chocolate chips. I have it in this bag so it's easy to measure. 1, 2, 3. We need 1 can, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I have a little spatula here that'll help me get it all out. In fact, I'll probably use that spatula to help stir it. We need a little salt. She said about a half a teaspoon. Remember, I don't ever measure anything, so I'm just gonna kind of guess. I think that's about right. And we need some vanilla. So I'm gonna add the vanilla after this is heated through. So I'm gonna put this on the stove and I'm gonna get it all melted together, and then we're gonna pour it in our dish and enjoy some diet fudge. We are just starting to melt all these ingredients together. Just like that. Just over medium heat works just fine. We just want to melt this until it's all smooth. And you don't want to melt it too fast or it'll get kind of chunky and almost burn the chocolate. So we're just doing it medium heat until it gets smooth. It is getting so close. Let's get the light right here so you can see. Do you see how smooth that's getting? It's starting to get really, really close. I'm gonna stir it a little quicker. Make sure there's no more pieces of chocolate chips. Okay, it is smooth and it is ready. Look at that. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take my little pan here. I'm gonna put a little cooking spray so my fudge doesn't stick. You could use parchment paper if you wanted as well. And I almost forgot, I have to add my vanilla. Vanilla makes everything taste good. Just a cap full of vanilla, and I'm gonna mix that in really good. Just like that. So now if I wanted to, I could actually add nuts inside the fudge before I put it in my pan, but I'm going to just put it in with no nuts. So just plain fudge right now. That looks so good, you guys, and it smells delicious. I'm gonna scrape the bottom here. I guess I could just look out the bowl. Okay, I'm gonna smooth that out. I wonder if even shaking it would make it flatten out a little bit. There you go. So Amber Rogers said her favorite topping for the fudge is a little coarse salt that she sprinkles on the top. So I'm actually gonna try a little section of coarse salt. Probably about half of coarse salt. And then on the other side, I'm gonna sprinkle some nuts on top. And remember I told you about the diet fudge? Well, according to Alan, this half right here is diet fudge because he won't eat it because he doesn't like nuts. So it's his diet fudge. You guys, go buy some Eagle brand milk, some butter, some chocolate chips of your choice, and throw this fudge together really quick. It's not quite set up. I should put it in the fridge to let it get firm, but I'm gonna take a little bit from the bowl and I'm gonna give this a try because I'm so excited to try it. You guys, that is the best fudge. It was so simple, so fast, and it is so delicious. You guys are gonna love it. So go out and buy some and enjoy some fudge.